Hello students, I am Miss Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 4th maths. Students, I hope you are enjoying the videos, and if you are not, I think you are not watching the videos. So students, please watch all the videos so that it will be easy for you to understand your chapters and the contents given in it. Okay students? So students, in this video, we are going to learn how to solve exercise 3.3 and 3.4. Why I have taken two exercises, students? Because only the difference between the two exercises is the difference in the numbers, means the digits present in the number. Only here what is given? Here 3 digits are multiplied by 2 digits and here 3 digits multiplied by 3 digits. So students, the steps are same. So try to understand. So let us start our first question. Exercise 3.3 question is find the product. Product, students, I have told you product means you have to multiply it. And nothing is given, no method is given. So directly you have to write in column and multiply it. So let us start. So simply students, this is 59. So one more thing student, if you are writing the question, write clearly. Means write the number first, then have some gap, write the multiplication sign, have some gap, then write the next number, so that it will be easy for you. See, it is visible that this number is multiplied by this number, so you have to write very clearly. Okay, so now write separately 59 multiplied by 70. So students, it is very simple. Simply you have to multiply the first number, means the ones number present in the lower, with first ones number, then with tens number, and you have to write the answer here. Then move to the second line, and second number is there. So we have to put a cross or 0. Then we have to multiply with 9 and 5. So let us see how to do it. Now 0 multiplied by 9. Students, the rule of division, multiplication, you are knowing very well that if any number is multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. So simply 9 zeros are 0 nines are 0 and 0 fives are 0. Okay. Now moving to the next number. So we are moving to next step now. So we will put a cross because we are multiplying now the second digit. Okay. So now 7 nines are, or 9 sevens are. So 7 nines are 63. So 6 we will take carry and 3 I am writing here. I had written in rough 63. So now 7 fives are. 7 fives are 35 plus 6. 35 plus 6, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So students, we will write 41 here. After solving this, students, you have to add these two lines. If it is 3 digit, we will get 3 lines here, 3 columns here. Okay. So see students, 0 plus 0. This is not multiplication sign. This is cross. Or you can write 0 also. Okay. So 0. Don't forget to put cross or 0 here because we are multiplying the second digit. So that's why we have to leave one space. So now 0. Then 0 plus 3 is 3 and 1 and this is 4. So 4130 is the answer received. Or one more thing is there student, when you are multiplying the number having the 0. So 0 is there, so simply you can multiply 59 with 7. After getting the answer will be 430. 1 0 is there. So when you are multiplying any 0 number with that, you have to write that much 0. So 1 0 is there. So 59 multiplied by 7 is 430. With 1 0, so you have to write 1 0. So in this way also you can calculate. Okay. Simply students, we are moving to next number. This is 3 digit number and this is 2 digit number. Okay, so simply 378 multiplied by 32. 3 here and 2 here. Okay students, now move to the next step. 2 8s are 16. 1, 6, 16. Okay. Now 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So 1, 5, 15 again. 1 is carry. Now 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So carry is also over. We have done multiplication of this number with 2. Now moving to the next digit. So that's why we will put a cross here. 2 digits are there. 2 lines will be here. Okay. Simply. So now 3 8s are 3 7s are and 3 3s are. We will write down here. So now 8 threes are 3 eights are. We can read the table of 8 up to 3 or table of 3 up to 8. Okay. So 3 eights are 8 threes are 8 ones are 8 2s are 16 8 threes are 24. I am writing down here because the 2 times carry will be here. For this also you will be confused. So I am writing down outside. So now 3 eights are 24. 2 and 4 here. Now 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 2. 21. 22, 23. 23. Again 2 carry. Then 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 2. 11. So we will write 11 here. Then add these both numbers. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry will be here. 1, 0. Very small carry I am taking. 1 plus 1, 2. And this is 1. So the answer, the product received here is 12,096. Okay students. So in this way we can multiply the 3-digit number with 2-digit number. Now moving to exercise 3.4. So the question of 3.4 is also same. Find the product. So student, here one difference is there, that in exercise 3.3, 3 digits were multiplied by 2-digit number and 2 digits number multiplied by 2-digit number only. But here 3-digit number is multiplied by 3-digit number. Okay, so see students, here 223 multiplied by 200. So simply step by step, remember, you have to solve. So 3 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 zeros are 0. We are moving to next digit. We are moving to next digit means leave this place. This is ones place. So ones place we are leaving blank. Then we are moving to second digit. So second digit will be multiplied and written here. So 0 threes are 0, 0 twos are 0 and 0 twos is also 0. Now leaving these two we are moving to third digit. So leave 2, leaving these two. So we are leaving 2 space here, ones and tens place. Then we are multiplying 2 with all 3. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. So students, remember, please solve it, please multiply it step by step, otherwise you will be confused. Follow the steps. Okay. So see 0, you have to add these 3. This is cross with this, it is 0. 0 is there, 0 is there. Then here 0, 0 and 6. So 6 is there and 4 plus 0 is 4 and this is 4. So students, in this way step by step you can solve question number 1. Okay. So see here which steps you have to follow, that you are multiplying with 3 digits. So earlier you have multiplied in exercise 3.3 with 2 digits. So only 2 were there, 2 lines were there. Then you have added. But here 3 digits are there, so 3 lines are there. So first line will be multiplied and written directly. Then second digit multiplied by these 3. So you are writing the second digit, multiplying second digit. So you have to leave one place. Then when you are multiplying the third digit with all these 3 numbers, so you will leave 2 place. One digit directly, second digit leave 1, then third digit, so 2 are there, so you have to leave 2 place. So in this way you can solve question number 1. Okay, moving to question number 5 of exercise 3.4. 809 multiplied by 312. So students, now see carefully. 2 will be multiplied by 3 this number, then with 1 it will be multiplied, then with 3 all these will be multiplied. So 9 twos are 18, 1 8, then 2 zeros is 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Remember 2 nines are 18, 1 8, then 2 zeros is 0 and 1 carry was there, so 1. Now 2 8s are 16, 1 6. Now moving to next digit, second digit, so 1 cross. So 1 nines are 9, 1 zeros are 0, 1 8s are 8. Okay, now third digit, so 1 and 2 cross here. 3 nines are 27, 2 carry, 3 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2 and 3 8s are 24, 2 and 4. After writing this, we will add these 3 numbers. So 8 0 0 8, 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry, 0 here, 6 plus 1 7, 7 and 7 14, 1 4, 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12, 1 2. This carry is of this number, 4 plus 1 5, and this is simply 2. So 2,52,408 is the product of 809 and 312. So students, I hope you have understood how to find the product in exercise 3.3 and 3.4. So please try to complete your notebooks according to this video, and if you are not understanding by watching it once, try to watch it again. Thank you for watching.